Before I talk about high tide, I could be wrong on the market. I thought the market was going to go higher. I thought we were gonna go break 52-week high in the short term, but that's not what the market wants to do. The market wants to go down lower. It is what it is. It sucks, but that's the reality of it. We'll see how low the market will go. I'm putting a possibility that we could make new lows. I think we could make new 52-week lows in the market, but only time will tell because I don't control the market. I thought it was gonna go. I thought this dip was an opportunity, but I was completely wrong. And the spy could be the spy could be breaking bearish in the short term, and we could see new 52-week lows. So just prepare for that. So we'll see. I mean, only time will tell. High tide. High tide had a really nice day today, but it pulled back near the end of the day. Why? Because the market was being volatile to the downside. So high tide got affected a little bit, but it seems like investors were really excited for this new acquisitions. The high tide closes acquisition of Budroom, securing ownership of Fastren retail kiosk smart locker technology. I'm not too sure. I would like to try this out for myself, but I think you pay for the product and it shoots it out from down here. So that is kind of cool. I hope I hope High Tide puts it into a lot of stores. This could help with traffic. People can buy from this machine instead of going into the store and shopping. This could save on overhead, and I think investors are very excited about this new acquisition that High Tide did, Budroom Fast Tender. That's why High Tide stock pumped. I don't have a position with High Tide. I did buy some call options just in case it decides to pump to 52-week highs, or even $10, $11. I just bought a little bit of call options. There is a golden cross forming, but if the market decides to be stupid and volatile and go to the downside, and High Tide goes back down to $4, I will definitely be picking up some shares. But will it do that? Will the market allow High Tide to go back down to $4 and become a deal again? Oh no, that's only $1.28 away. Only time will tell. If the SPY keeps going down, if the SPY makes new 52-week low, I can almost guarantee you High Tide will probably go back down to 52-week lows. But again, this is my opinion, and the market might just ignore what's happening in the market and just pump High Tide anyways. I don't know what rich people want to do, because I think ultimately rich people are the one that dictates the movement of stock prices. Maybe this is retail. Maybe this this movement to the upside is all retail. But I have my doubts. I mean, it's always a possibility. I still have my doubts though. I don't think it's retail. I think big money saw this acquisition, saw this technology, and they got excited and they decided to pump the stock. Will it keep going up? Only rich people know. That's my opinion. Bitcoin. Bitcoin is under a little bit of pressure. It crashed and then it bounced and then it crashed. So we'll see what happens. From a charting perspective, it's still bullish, but you never know, right? If the SPY decides to do retarded things and pull back massively, maybe Bitcoin could pull back down to the 36K, 35K. Who really knows at the end of the day, right? Like big money ultimately moves the market. So the SPY takes a huge hit. Bitcoin could take a huge hit. Or Bitcoin could ignore the market and just go up high anyways. One of the two scenarios. We'll see. We'll see what the market does with the... I mean, what rich people will do with the market. Only time will tell. Anyways, yeah, Coinbase. I sold off some of my Coinbase today because I wanted to take off some risk. And I was profitable on my position. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to sell just in case we make new 52-week lows on the market. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Oops. I hope you enjoyed this video. Wow. Like 2 minutes away from 8 minutes. SoFi. Massive pullback. Could be a huge buying opportunity. I don't know. Maybe like I said, the market ultimately determines everything. I mean, at least I think so. So if the market decides to go to a 52-week low, SoFi could go back down to $11 or $10 or $9 or $8. I don't know at the end of the day. But the lower and lower and lower it goes, the more and more of a buying opportunity it becomes. I was bullish on this. I still kind of am. But you know, if the market is fearful, people are going to sell, they're going to take profit, and short sellers are going to come in and short SoFi and the entire market. And when I mean short sellers, I mean institutions and hedge funds. They're the ones that ultimately does the shorting, and the robots. You know, robots also short too. So as long as the SPY is under pressure, everything is a dangerous trade. Everything, like everything, is probably you know, going to go to the move to the downside, except for maybe Bitcoin, because that's on a totally different network. But yeah, still, Bitcoin could also get affected if the market goes down. Wow. Okay, 10 more seconds. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe for future updates, and I hope everyone has a great day. Bye.